Grid martingale strategies have a reputation for blowing up accounts, but what if I told you my live account is up 19% after 6 months? And here's a twist though. Some major losses are hiding behind that number. So today I'm going to show you the real story, including the risks and surprises that you won't see on the surface. If you don't know what grid martingale strategies look like, they are the suspicious equity curves that continue to go up and up that look a little bit too good to be true. That's because they are. The problem with the strategies that you find online is that they are highly manipulated. These amazing equity curves are designed for sales. So a seller will have a whole bunch of accounts all with grid martingale strategies, and when one of them blows up, they just hide the account and have another one ready to go, ready to attract brand new traders. But at any time, this account can blow up and you can lose all your money, which is really not a good way to trade, especially if you want to trade bigger amounts of money. And I've tested many of these commercial robots over the past few years, and they have all blown up my accounts. So 6 months ago, I decided to create my own grid martingale strategies with one difference. My strategies are going to have a stop loss. So I know that I'm not going to wake up tomorrow with zero money left in my account. Now you might ask, why do I want to create my own? Why don't I just grab one of the other ones that are available online and add a stop loss in? The thing is, I don't know how these strategies were created. The equity curves, that they could have been built the wrong way. They could have just taken all the data available, found the best settings and put them on a live account, which is not the correct way to build a strategy. So I wanted to use the best practices in algorithmic trading, the exact same process I teach my students, and apply that process to the grid martingale strategy design. So I know when I add a stop loss, I am creating the strategy from the bottom up, not adding a band-aid on a badly designed strategy. And here is my trading account 6 months later. Now this one is an FBS cent account. I put $1,000, which is when you convert it into a cent account, this turns it into $100,000. So this account has been going for 181 days. You can see I have been trading a whole bunch of different assets, and currently it's up just under 20% in equity with a floating loss of 8,000, which is pretty standard for these type of high drawdown strategies. Now, this chart here looks a little bit weird. It looks nothing like the straight upwards curve that you normally see in grid martingale strategies. That's because my broker archives my trades. See the top line here? Archived. So all these straight lines up and down, they're just a whole bunch of trades mashed together. So if I go ahead and redraw this chart for you, there you go. So in about January earlier this year, the account went up to about 20,000 in profit, but then I saw 3 consecutive losses hit, 1, 2, 3, bringing the balance back to 90K, which is about 10% overall in losses. And over the past few months, it has slowly increased again, back up at all-time highs. And the reason why I waited 6 months before I made this video is because I wanted to see the stop loss being hit, and it was. It was hit 3 times, here, here, and here. And I also wanted to see the account recover, and it has, all the way back to all-time highs. This is exactly what I wanted to show when I created this experiment to prove that grid martingale strategies can be traded in the long run with a stop loss. Unfortunately, this kind of jagged equity chart doesn't generate sales because people want to see a smooth, beautiful, profitable chart that has no drawdowns. But personally, because I don't want to blow up my account, that's why I'm trading my own strategies. Here we've got my MetaTrader terminal. You can see I've got a total of 8 different expert advisors, all on different currency pairs. And I do currently have a whole bunch of open losses totaling up to about $8,000, or just under 10% of this account. And each one of these expert advisors has a stop loss of $10,000. So let's head over to the history tab, and you can see I deposited 100K into this account back on the 16th of October 2025, which was about 6 months ago. And we can see if you scroll your eyes down to this line right here, it says archived trade of $1,272, which is why you see those weird jumps in my equity in FX Blue. Let's switch over to the charts and check out some of the trades. So the Aussie CAD is generally a pretty good mean reverting pair for this. You can see the first group of trades. These were sell trades and the price went up and they all closed in profits here. And the second group is a much bigger one, but they all did end out closing in profit when the price spiked back down here. For Euro USD, we saw one group of trades close out in profit here. And then now the second group of trades, we're waiting for a retracement before we can close them out. But Grid Martingale expert advisors can have pretty big and long holding losses. So here you can see I've got the Euro CAD and it started placing buy trades about here. And then the price went down and it's creating a lot of open trades, 35 currently. And it's now retracing back and only holding a floating loss of negative 500 out of the $10,000 that is allowed. So I am trading all these different symbols listed here in FX Blue, and you can see each symbol so far in the net profit column is profitable, but I wouldn't rely on the stats here because remember my broker archives the trades, which I don't like. So what I'm going to do instead is stop trading on this FBS Cent account and switch over to a Darwinex Zero account. And you can see here my brand new Darwinex Zero account with a few Grid Martingale strategies. Each strategy has its own independent stop loss, so I'm not going to blow the entire account. I really like using Darwinex because they track the equity drawdown, and later on when this account has a much longer track record, I can use it to attract investor capital and earn and get funded by Darwinex through the silver, gold, investor capital and the boosters, all of which are stackable by the way, and each funding ranges from 30k to 500k depending on which stage you're in. I personally have multiple trading accounts on Darwinex Zero, and I'm currently managing over 120k in Darwinex Zero silver allocations, and many of my students also have received multiple fundings like David and Luke, who also got a 4k bonus in private investor capital, and you can use the code Lisa when signing up for a discount with them. The quirky thing I found with creating these Grid Martingale expert advisors is that they're not the standard single trade with a take profit and a stop loss. I had to create a template and then afterwards go and tweak the code to make it compile. So I do go through the process in a lot more detail with my students. But if you want to see the step-by-step process of how I created the template, then watch this video right here. Thanks.